Hey guys, welcome to Kate's Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to be showing you guys, as promised, how to do the hair look that I have on in this video, and I also had in my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial that I released on Monday. So if you're just going to stay tuned, then I will show you how it's done. I hope you all enjoyed my Valentine's Day heart hair tutorial. Just so you guys know, I do release new videos every Monday and Wednesday, so stay tuned. If you will just like this video and subscribe below, you'll get a notification when I release my next video next Monday. I am actually kind of wanting to play with some different things that I haven't done before. You might want to stay tuned and check back next Monday. I hope you guys, again, have a great week. This is Kate's Tips and Tricks. Mwah.